Hello guy, so you washed your car engine and the car now cranks but it won't start, or you finish washing it, the car starts but it kind of misfires and rough idle. So what should you do? Well, this is not a typical case with Mercedes in sometimes. Now these are the tips which I'm going to be giving you if you are to wash your car, or to wash the car engine. The first place you want to be mindful if you're washing Mercedes is this guy right here, which is the front SAM. You also want to mind the rear SAM too. Anything SAM in Mercedes is very sensitive, so be very careful. But I know very well that's why they did the cover like this, so that no matter the amount of fluid that you pour around here, it's gonna just find its way around there. But if this is open and you pour water on it, there's gonna be a very big problem. Now for some other cars, it starts in a rough idle or it won't start at all. If it is a car that is having a carburetor, then you want to check the distributor cap. That's the area where the water used to get in and wet, then it won't start. But for this Mercedes, it's a piece of cake. If you wash a Mercedes and it won't start up, now what you need to do is to remove this, which you need to pull it hard and pull it from the other side and get it out. There's going to be having a mass airflow sensor back there at the tail end here, so be very careful. Now all you need to do is to uninstall the spark plugs, then try to kick the car, try to crank the car so that it's going to pump the water out. You're pretty much going to do this no matter the car make and model. If it is misfiring, Toyotas are very fond often of doing that, and that is why a lot of people will not want to wash their car engine. Now if you need to wash the engine, this is the guy you need to mind here. You need to find a very good leather and cover this up. I mean some sort of waterproof stuff, and cover this, because as soon as you get in the diode there, then there's gonna be a host of problems. Now before you start to wash your car, you need to cover that up, and you want to make sure you warm the engine to a operating temperature before you wash it. The reason there is, if it is cold start and you wash, if it is cold and you wash it, it's gonna make the engine a lot harder to actually start, because it will reduce the engine temperature down further. So you don't want to do that. I hope you find this very helpful to starting up your car after washing your engine. This is Dr. Kuro Fix. I gotta catch you on the next one. Bye for now.